Y'all, it's opening day for Galaxy's Edge. We're right at the entrance. We're going to be going in just a minute. So we're going to get the first looks at it here. We're going to see what we can do. We're heading in. Get him!
Right sons, everyone! Right sons!
Oh, cool. So this is one of the restaurants. They have like an old pod racer engine that cooks your food for you. So let's check it out. Oh, who wouldn't want their very own personal salacious crumb? You can get one here. Look at that. The only ride they've got open today for the opening is the Millennium Falcon. It's already an hour wait, even though we just walked in. We may be getting in line for that. We'll see. But they do have some shops and some restaurants. It will be coming to Disney World at the end of August, and there's not going to be a reservation system there like there is here. So it'll be set up a little different. Hopefully I'm going to make it over to that. We'll see. Guessing this is going to be the Rise of the Resistance ride. Since this is the Resistance base, it's not open now, but later on they'll be opening it in another phase.